Get ready to slither into Halloween with a deliciously spooky treat. The Calzone Snake. This fun and festive recipe combines the classic Italian calzone with a creative twist that's sure to be a hit at your next Halloween party. Imagine a golden brown, serpentine calzone painted with vibrant food coloring to resemble a colorful snake. It's not just visually striking, it's also packed with a mouth-watering filling that both kids and adults will love. Let's start with the ingredients. For the dough, you'll need 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 1 cup of warm water, 1 package of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. The filling consists of 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, a 4-ounce package of sliced pepperoni, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and optionally, some sliced black olives, green bell pepper strips, and fresh mushrooms. You'll also need 1 egg and a tablespoon of water for the egg wash. Now let's make the dough. In a stand mixer bowl with a dough hook, dissolve the sugar in warm water. Sprinkle the yeast over the water and let it stand for 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Add the oil, salt, and 2 cups of flour, mixing on low speed. Gradually add the remaining cup of flour while kneading until the dough forms a smooth, elastic ball. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a towel, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, prepare the filling by combining all the cheeses, pepperoni, parsley, Italian seasoning, and any optional vegetables in a large bowl. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out into a long, flat strip about 9 inches wide and 30 inches long. Spoon the filling mixture down the center, leaving about 1 inch on all sides for sealing. Pull the edges of the dough together and pinch to seal, forming a long, filled roll. Here comes the fun part, shaping the snake. Place the roll seam side down on the parchment paper, forming it into a snaky S shape. Tuck the ends underneath to seal. Brush the calzone with an egg wash made from 1 beaten egg and a tablespoon of water. Bake your calzone snake for 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden brown. Let it cool for 5 minutes before slicing. To make your calzone snake even spookier, you can use various food items to create a tongue, nostrils, and eyes. Try using fruit roll-ups, peppercorns, or olives for these features. Serve your creation with spaghetti sauce for dipping, adding to the Halloween theme. Each serving of this spooky calzone snake contains approximately 217 calories, 10 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of protein. This Halloween, surprise your friends and family with this unique and tasty calzone snake. It's a fun way to celebrate the spooky season while enjoying a delicious meal. Happy haunting and happy eating!